production. Now we'll go to piezoelectric effect, how it works, what is a piezoelectric effect, what is a reversal of piezoelectric effect, all we are going to see in this lecture. So let's get going. It was discovered by Marie Curie in 1880. Now, when electricity is applied to the piezoelectric crystal, it causes it to expand and contract. That is a vibration. Electric energy sets a quartz into vibration, and then electricity is converted into ultrasound wave by a phenomenon called a piezoelectric effect, and the crystal which has got these unique characteristics are called as piezoelectric crystals. Now they have got capable of vice versa also. What it means, when an ultrasound wave is applied to it, it again sets it into vibration, and that causes another set of signals which are sent back to the monitor, and this is directly proportional to the ultrasound waves they are coming back. Now this is a vice versa and a direct piezoelectric effect. What is the basic principle of ultrasound study, ultrasound machines, ultrasound diagnosis? So it is very important, and all the crystals do not have this property. Some of the crystals has got it, and they also has got a limited ultrasound waves, that is frequency they vibrate has got limitations. So often nowadays what we are doing is we are producing in laboratory artificial crystals of our required density. Now here we are shown in diagram how a production of ultrasound wave is done by transmission of the electric energy into mechanical and then into ultrasound, then again back to ultrasound, and that causes a crystal to vibrate, and that again gives a signal, that is conversion of ultrasound wave into electrical energy. So that is how a phenomena takes place, and we get the images. Here we are shown on tabulation form, right from the production, then is a transmission, then is a refraction or transmission, then is a detection of ultrasound, then is acquisition of the image, and last is a display, what we see on the monitor. So that's how it goes. Now what is the mechanism of production of ultrasound waves? An alternating current is applied to the piezoelectric effect. Now this causes it to vibrate at a high frequency. These vibrations produce ultrasound waves. These ultrasound waves travel through the body and come back to the crystal, and depending on the waves coming back, they produce the signal. First is a piezoelectric effect, conversion of electric energy into ultrasound energy. Second is a reverse piezoelectric effect, that is conversion of ultrasound waves into electric energy. So that's how the ultrasound physics works. Now whatever signal come back to the crystal are converted electricity, that are again sent back to the machine. Sometimes we enhance them, these signals are enhanced, or sometimes they are displayed directly. So that is on the monitor. So ultrasound machine has got component like a probe which produces ultrasound waves, receives them back, sends back to the CPU where they are processed, they are enhanced, they are stored, they are displayed, or sometimes we got post-processing.